Hi everybody, this video made for those who have Windows 10 or 8.1 installed. In my previous video, some users wrote that this method does not work on Windows versions older than Windows 7. In order to disprove this stupidity, I shoot a separate video about how to set up to share the Wi-Fi in the operating systems of Windows 8 and 10. This method is also suitable for Windows 7. But in Windows 7 settings you need to look in a slightly different place. Link to the video tutorial, how to do it in the operating system Windows 7, will be in the description under this video. Now I want you to pay attention to the Wi-Fi networks available for connection. As you can see, there is no network named as virtual Wi-Fi in the list of available networks. So, I have a laptop that will share Wi-Fi. This can also be a desktop computer, but only if there is a Wi-Fi module in the system unit. The client that will receive the signal Wi-Fi is a tablet with the operating system Android 5.0.2. The operating system that is installed on the client also does not matter. It can be a device running Windows or Android or iOS or Mac. It is important only that the client can in principle receive a Wi-Fi signal. You need to download the archive from the link in the description under the video. In the archive are only a text file, with commands for the command line and several screenshots. Open a command prompt with administrator rights. Open the text file that is in the archive. Copy the first line from it and paste it into the command line. Press enter. Change the second line of the text file as desired. Enter the desired virtual network name and enter your password. Here, between the quotes, enter the name of your virtual network. And here enter the password that you want to set for your virtual network. Now copy the line that you edited and paste it into the command line. Press enter. Copy the third line from the text file and paste it into the command line. Press enter. Now the command line can be closed. Right-click on the Internet icon in the system tray, select the item, Network and Sharing Management. In the left part of the window that opens, select the Change Adapter Settings. In the window that opens, select the connection through which your computer receives the Internet. Right-click and select Properties of this item. In the window that opens, select the Access tab and tick Share. Expand the spoiler and select the virtual network you just created from the list. Press OK. Once again open the properties of this element, and click Configure button. In the opened window select the tab Power Management, and uncheck the item Allow this device to be turned off to conserve power. Press OK. This is necessary to ensure that your connection is not interrupted. Now select the created virtual network. Right-click and open the properties of this item. Click the Configure button. In the opened window select the tab Power Management, and uncheck the item Allow this device to be turned off to conserve power. Press OK. Now I will show you the result. You see that the tablet instantly discovered the newly created Wi-Fi network. I activated the detected network and entered the password. Now I'll check if the tablet has access to the internet. I check the internet access using the Google Play application, because this is the application that is the most demanding on the quality of the internet. You see that access to the internet is in order and I get access through a Wi-Fi network. I finished. All good luck and direct hands.